Bye-bye flies and mosquitoes. Effective natural solution for a bug-free home. Are you tired of being bothered by pesky flies and mosquitoes in your home? Look no further. In this captivating video, we'll share a game-changing natural recipe that will banish these annoying insects from your life for good. During the summer season, mosquitoes and flies thrive, causing constant annoyance and potential health risks. Our tried and tested solution will provide you with the ultimate protection against these buzzing pests. But first, we'd love to hear which insects bother you the most at home. In today's video, we'll unveil a powerful yet safe homemade recipe that effectively repels mosquitoes and ants. Rather than resorting to harmful chemicals or extermination methods, we believe in finding natural alternatives to keep these insects at bay. Discover the secret ingredients that will revolutionize your battle against mosquitoes and flies. Vinegar, with its strong odor, acts as a deterrent for these pests. Cloves, rich in eugenol, possess potent insecticidal properties and offer an added antiseptic benefit. Additionally, bay leaves emit a specific scent that repels insects and disrupts their breeding. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating this remarkable solution. Write down the ingredients for the recipe. 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 bay leaves, half a cup of white vinegar, a glass of water. Boil water in a pot and add cloves and bay leaves, allowing them to infuse for 10 minutes. After cooling and straining, incorporate white vinegar, ensuring a thorough mixture. Transfer the solution into a spray bottle, and it's ready for use. But wait, there's more. Besides its insect-repelling properties, this clove-scented concoction doubles as a versatile cleaning agent. Safely apply it to your dining table, floors, countertops, sofas, and near windows to keep mosquitoes away while enjoying a fresh, pleasant aroma. Join us on this extended journey as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of natural pest control. We'll share additional tips, tricks, and insightful experiences to help you reclaim your home from these unwanted intruders. Try our natural solution today and join the countless others who have bid farewell to flies and mosquitoes. Don't forget to share your remarkable outcomes and discoveries in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating videos on living a pest-free life.